Today we are diving into the cost structure of semiconductor manufacturing, a critical insight for anyone navigating the technology or industrial landscape. From raw material to advanced packaging, each step in the process carries its own cost implication. Let's break it down and understand where the money flows in this high precision industry. Wafer fabrication, the largest cost component. Wafer fabrication is the heart of semiconductor manufacturing and the most expensive part. It accounts for nearly 35 to 45% of total cost. This stage involved photolithography, etching, doping, deposition across the multiple layer. The complexity and the precision required here drive up cost, especially as we move forward. Smaller nodes like a 5 nanometer and 3 nanometer technologies. Coming to material, silicon, chemical, gases. Next up, material like silicon wafers, specialty gases, and high purity chemicals contribute around 20 to 25% of the total cost. These material must meet ultra clean standard to avoid defects. Even a microscopic impurity can ruin an entire batch, making quality control and sourcing absolute critical. As for the semiconductor fabs are packed with the cutting edge equipment, lithography machine, etcher, ion implanter and more. Equipment cost makes up 15 to 20% of the total. A single UV lithography machine can cost over 150 million US dollar. These tools require constant calibration and upgrades, adding to the long term capital burden. Skilled workforce and facility cost, these are also very vital. Labor and overhead contribute around 10 to 15% of the cost. Semiconductor manufacturing demand highly skilled engineers, clean room technicians and process specialists. Add to that the cost of maintaining clean room environments, utility and safety system, and you have got a significant operational expenses. Testing and packages account for 5 to 10% of the cost. Chip undergoes rigorous electrical testing to weed out defects. Packaging must protect the chip while enabling efficient heat dissipation and connectivity. Advanced packaging techniques like 3D stacking and chiplets are pushing this cost segment higher. Strategic cost optimization. To wrap up,